Cost accounting demystifying quick guide. What is cost accounting? It's the process of tracking and analyzing costs associated with producing goods or services. Key concepts. First, direct cost. Direct cost means cost directly tied to productions like raw material and labors. Indirect costs. It includes overhead costs such as utilities and rent. Cost behavior. Understand how costs change with production levels, fixed, variable, or mixed. Cost allocation. Distribute indirect cost to various departments or products based on usage. Why it matters? It helps in budgeting, setting prices, and improving efficiency by identifying cost saving opportunities. Thank you, friends.